Hey, welcome back to MyATMM Machine, cost basis tracking built for option sellers. Go ahead and review the disclaimer on screen, and let's get right to it. If you sell options, covered calls, cash secured puts, the wheel, you already know that tracking your cost basis in a spreadsheet is a pain. Formulas break, you forget to log a trade, and before you know it, you have no idea what your actual cost basis is on anything. That's exactly what MyATMM Machine was built to solve. In the next few minutes, I am going to take you from creating your account to tracking your very first position. Let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is head over to myatmm.com and you'll see a page similar to this. You'll want to click on the Get Started for Free button. You'll see the sign up form. Just enter your email and create a password and confirm it. And then you'll click the Create Account button. That'll send you a PIN code to your email address that you entered. You'll go check your email, and once you receive it, you'll come back and enter the PIN code. The email will look something like this, and that'll be the PIN code. So it'll be 520254. 20254, and then you'll click continue, and then that'll finish creating your account and log you right into the web application, and the dashboard will be the first screen showing. The free tier allows you up to 3 tickers to track and up to 10 tickers to monitor for screening and up to 30 AI-powered imports and position verifications, which is more than enough to get a feel for how everything works. And right off the bat, you'll notice the app defaults to dark mode. But if you prefer light mode, you can toggle this button right up here in the top right-hand corner, and it'll go to light mode, and it'll persist that across your login sessions. I'm going to go ahead and switch it back to dark mode. First thing we need to do is tell the web application which stocks we want to monitor. Think of this as your watch list. So you'll click on tickers in the navigation menu, and you'll see a text box up here at the top. Let's enter a ticker. I'll use one I'm actually monitoring right now. We'll type in the symbol, and then we click the add button, and that'll add it to the ticker list. So that's it. The ticker is added and the web application is now pulling in daily price data for it. You can add up to 10 tickers on the free plan or unlimited with a membership. Now let's actually track a trade. This is where the magic happens. We want to navigate over to the cost basis version 2 screen in the menu. This is our completely rebuilt cost basis tracking page. It's faster, cleaner, and way more powerful than the original. We want to click the add button over here on the far right and enter a ticker we want to start tracking cost basis for. So we're going to enter the same symbol we entered over on the tickers page, Tesla. We'll click save, and then that'll add it to our cost basis page as a new ticker. You'll see the cost basis header. Right now it's empty because we haven't logged anything yet. Let's fix that. Let's say I just sold a cash secured put. We want to click on the puts tab, and then we're going to click this new put button, and a dialog will appear. We'll keep it today's date. The side will be a sell to open. We're going to do one contract. The expiration, we'll just pick this coming Friday. And the strike, we're just going to enter 20, and the collected premium we'll put in as 80 cents. And as soon as I tab off of this, you'll see a proposed transaction will appear below. And it'll pull in any default commissions and fees we have set up for this side type sell to open, which this is a brand new account, so we don't have any. I will go ahead and just manually enter a 65-cent commission and a 1-cent fee. Those are pretty typical. And something you'll notice is if you only want to add the new position, but you do not want to create a transaction while you're doing this, you can actually just uncheck that and then click save, and it'll just create the position. But we want it to create the transaction as well. So we're going to go ahead and leave that checked and click save. If you'll notice up in the header, it immediately updated our cost basis information. You can see the total premium collected and our position details. Everything calculated automatically. No spreadsheet formulas to maintain. Down here in the positions section, you'll see the open position of the put. And over in the transaction tab, you can see the transaction was added. As you add more transactions, roles, assignments, covered calls, they all feed into this cost basis transaction calculation automatically. Quick tip. If you use thinkorswim, you don't even have to enter transactions manually. You can take a screenshot of your statement and our AI import feature will parse it and create the transactions for you automatically. It also will do position verification for you as well. You can take a screenshot of the position statement on thinkorswim, and it'll verify all the positions for you and add and remove as needed for your positions too. Now let's check out the dashboard. This is your command center, everything about your portfolio at a glance. The positions tab shows every open position across all your tickers. You can see what you've got on, where your cost basis sits, and how each position is performing. The premiums tab tracks how much option premium you've collected over time. This is the number that matters for us option sellers. This is the cash you're generating. Projections takes your historical premium data and projects your expected income forward. It's nice for seeing the bigger picture. And our performance tab shows your return on investment, weekly, monthly, however you want to slice it. Each of these tabs has a detailed tutorial on the support page if you want to go deeper. So you can see this is showing the monthly. You can also show the weekly. And since we only have one transaction, it only shows for that single week that we did. The web application also has built-in screeners to help you find new opportunities. This is where the tickers you entered into the monitor on the tickers page will come into play. The covered calls and cash secured puts page lets you evaluate covered call and cash secured put opportunities on your monitored tickers. And as you can see, since we only added one ticker, we only see that one showing here. And again, the free account allows you to do up to 10. So if we added 10 tickers, then this would show all 10 of those. But to add more, you would need to have a membership. And at that point, you could add an unlimited number of tickers. We also have the option search, which lets you search across all of your monitor tickers for options that meet your criteria. And again, Tesla is the only one showing because that's the only ticker that we added. And then we have the trends page, which is used for simple moving averages like the 20, 50, and 200 day, along with earnings data to help you keep your screen for setups. I mean, it helps you screen for setups using the earnings data. So that's it. You're set up and ready to go. You've got your account, your ticker, and your first transaction tracked. From here, just keep logging your trades and let the web application handle the math. The free plan gives you 3 tickers to get started. If you need more, memberships start at just under $25 a month, and I'll drop a link in the description. There also may be various discounts available from time to time. Check our pricing page for current details. Subscribe to the channel because I use the web application every single week in my own trading, and you'll see exactly how I use it in real time. I'll see you in the next one. That's going to wrap it up for this one. If you got something out of it, hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss what's coming next. And if you haven't already, head over to MyATMM.com and create your free account. 3 tickers free forever. No credit card required. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.